Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook and going straight to the sheet that shows the condition. Select the exact cells or press Ctrl plus A to grab the whole sheet. This ensures you won't miss hidden rules. Once selected, open Home, then Conditional Formatting, and click Manage Rules so you can see every rule tied to your selection. This tells you whether the condition is a rule, a custom formula, or coming from a table or named range, so you know what to remove next. You now act on the rules you found. In the Manage Rules dialog, choose whether to show rules for the current selection or the whole sheet, because scope matters. If the condition is a formula you want to adjust, click Edit Rule and Change or simplify the logic. If you want it gone, click Delete Rule. Once done, use Clear Rules from selected cells or Clear Rules from entire sheet to wipe multiple rules at once. This removes conditional color or icons immediately. Finish by confirming the condition won't come back. Check data validation and any formulas that might reapply formatting, and inspect named ranges or table formats. Use Home Find and select Go to Special Conditional Formats to highlight leftover cells, then clear rules on those cells. If formatting still persists, save the file, close Excel, and reopen to refresh cached rules. Troubleshooting tip: if a rule reappears, search for matching formulas or linked templates that recreate the condition and remove them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.